Let me take you through on the Bitcoin analysis on the CoinMarketCap. I will be showing the Bitcoin graph on the CoinMarketCap website, so stay tuned. So as you guys know, this is the Bitcoin price. When you scroll down, you can see the Bitcoin analysis, which is the price from last year and the years before. As you know, when Bitcoin has started, the price was 113. Now, when the price is keep going higher and higher, the price is now up to 15, and it goes all the way to the first stop. So the price today is 7,484. Over here is the volume, which means the graph has gone higher. And this means that the graph has gone higher or lower. If it's red, that means that it's gone lower, the price that has been taken off. If you want more information and if you want more help, you can go to the weezcoins.com website and you can find more information. There are only 150 pages on the Weez coin you can read.